Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a classic Java topic that trips up a lot of people. What's the real difference between int and integer? Go ahead and open up your editor. Create a file called integerwrapper.java. We'll use it for all the examples in this video. Let's begin with a quick overview. Int is a primitive type. It's simple, efficient, and used for raw number crunching. Integer is a wrapper class, meaning it wraps an int inside an object. That makes it compatible with Java's object-based features like collections, generics, and null values. They both represent whole numbers, but they behave quite differently under the hood. A quick side-by-side comparison. Int is a primitive, lightweight, and fast. Integer is an object, part of Java's class hierarchy. Int can't be null. Trying to assign null will cause an error. Integer can be null, helpful when working with databases or optional values. Int has no methods. Integer gives you built-in functionality. We'll get to that in a bit. So far, so good. Let's move on to something important. Autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing is when Java automatically converts an int into an integer object. You don't have to do it manually. On the flip side, unboxing is when Java takes an integer object and turns it back into a primitive int. Java handles these conversions for you behind the scenes. It's smooth, but it can lead to subtle issues if you're not careful, like unboxing a null value and causing a null pointer exception. Now let's talk about the power of integer, its methods. While int is just a number, integer offers a wide range of utility methods that can make your code cleaner and more expressive. ParseInt converts a string like 123 into a primitive int. ValueOf returns an integer object from a string. Compare compares two int values. Returns -1, 0, or 1. IntValue returns the primitive int value from the integer object. Equals checks if two integer objects have the same value. Decode parses hexadecimal, octal, or decimal strings. Max returns the greater of two int values. Min returns the smaller of two int values. Sum returns the sum of two int values. These methods are especially useful in parsing, comparison logic, and working with collections. All right, that wraps up our deep dive. Take a few minutes to try this out for yourself. The best way to learn this stuff is by writing code and breaking things, in a safe environment, of course. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.